In this video, we're going to be looking at how we can simplify an expression. To simplify an expression, we collect like terms. Like terms can be numbers or letters that happen to be the same. The letters that are the same in this question on the left-hand side are 5a and positive 2a and minus 2f plus 3f. Note here how I've underlined the negative symbol in front of 2f. So this is negative 2f. Let's reorder this question. 5a plus 2a minus 2f plus 3f. The terms in red are like terms, so they can be grouped together. 5a plus 2a is 7a. The terms in green are also like terms. Minus 2f plus 3f is 1f. 7a and f are unlike terms, so we cannot group this question together anymore. And this is my final answer. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. My like terms in the question on the right hand side are 3b and minus 2b. Notice how I've underlined the negative symbol too. They are also positive 4a and positive 3a. Rewriting my question, 3b minus 2b and 4a plus 3a. 3b minus 2b is 1b. 4a plus 3a is 7a. And this is my final answer.